Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is Jolliben Fish Academy. We are currently at Obage community and we are here to set up a farm for a client. It's an estate, so it's a developing area. We are here to set up a farm of about 1,500 capacity for a start, just at the back of his yard. And what else? He's actually new into the farming system, so we'll put him through and as well make sure that he gets what is required as far as this farming system is concerned. He has to be productive, he has to be successful. So this is just a brief introduction. Let me show you around and show you what we have to do for today. Boom. All right, so at this point we are about to start. So first, these are the materials we're going to use for the work. These are basically different working tools are here. This is our drilling machine. We use this one to drill and make some holes for inlet and outlet. Then what you find here are the plumbing materials, different plumbing materials with their different sizes and their different measurements. This is your back nut, your T-junction, your PVC gum, and many other things which you will see here. So here is the tarpaulin. What you have here is two tarpaulins. One is 500 capacity, that's 5 by 10 by 4, while the other is 10 by 10, and it's a very strong tarpaulin, very strong and durable. This is one of the best kind of materials you can ever have. Then okay, this one is my stand to help me shoot this video throughout the installation process. Then here are the hoses, basically outlet and inlet hose. They are 2 inches and 1 inches respectively. These ones are the supports for the tarpaulin. These are the stands, and but again, these are still the stands. These are the supports. So we are installing one here and one over there. So basically at this point we will start the installation process. Boom. Alright, so the ponds have been successfully installed. So this is 500 capacity just at the back. I hope you can see that clearly. This 500 capacity. So what is remaining now is to treat this pond and then stock it immediately. So let me take you to the other part. So next to that is this one. This is 1,000 capacity. So we are done with the installation, and what is remaining now is to treat and make the pond ready for use. This is exactly how it is, and it's an edifice of its own. And trust me, if you're looking for something like this, call the number on your screen and we will just be there to do this within a jiffy. Alright, so let's go straight with the next stage, and that is the treatment process. Boom. So this is what we're going to use for the treatment process. Just get Mr. Chef. This is table salt, And then this is 1 kilo. Just mix it in a bowl of water, make sure it dissolves completely, and then rub it throughout the walls of the tarpaulin. Wash cleanly, rinse before installing. Wash cleanly before installing. The reason why you have to do this is so that in case your tarpaulin came contaminated and has some impurities that may be harmful to juveniles, fingerlings, as the case may be, then you will be able to treat them by the use of the salt. So that is the aim of the salt, and we are about to start that treatment immediately. So watch us as we do the washing round within a minute. Alright, at this point we are done with the washing with salt and water. So we have to drain the water off and then stop the fish proper. Boom. Alright, so at this point we have to start stocking. Dead one. Gently. All right. That dead one. Wait, more document. And make the pond ready for use. This is exactly how it is, and it's an edifice of its own. And trust me, if you're looking for something like this, call the number on your screen and we will just be there to do this within a jiffy. Alright, so let's go straight.